Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to wait. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's find the date and time option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can or cannot customize, because as you can see, we cannot manually tap on set date, time or the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic option. So it simply means that the time and the time zone are no work provided. So first of all, we have to turn those options off just by tapping on those switchers here. And as you can see, right now we can freely tap on date, for example, and here just by swiping we can change the date, confirm it with OK. And the same situation with the time, just by swiping, tap on OK, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. The same with the time zone, just tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find one and tap on it. So let me pick Castries, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As far as I remember, we've set 8 o'clock and right now we've got 2. What's more, you can decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Currently it is 24-hour format. Of course, you can set 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher by turning off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in this device. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings. So here just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format and tap on both to use automatic and date, time and time zone. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.